Today, I am reviewing Govee Smart Recessed Lighting 6-inch RGBIC LED Canless Downlights. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to completely transform the ambience of your home, the Govee Smart Recessed Lighting 6-inch RGBIC LED Canless Downlights are an absolute game changer. These lights are not just ordinary recessed ceiling lights. They combine modern design, smart home integration, and fully customizable lighting to bring your rooms to life like never before. Whether you're setting up your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even a game room, these lights are designed to impress and elevate your everyday experience. The first thing you'll notice about these lights is the innovative RGBIC and RGBWW combination. What this means is that the main light provides warm to cool white tones, ranging from 2,700K to 6,500K, perfect for reading, relaxing, or everyday tasks. At the same time, the backlight features RGBIC technology with segmented lighting control, allowing you to create multiple colors simultaneously across each section of the fixture. This gives you nearly limitless customization options, from subtle ambient lighting for dinner nights to vibrant, color-changing effects for parties and special occasions. Speaking of brightness, these 6-inch recessed lights deliver up to 1,100 lumens per fixture, making them bright enough for general illumination while still being easy on the eyes. The dimmable function lets you adjust the brightness from 1% to 100%, giving you full control over the mood and setting of your space. You can create a calm, soft glow for a cozy evening or ramp it up to a full, energetic light for work, hobbies, or entertaining guests. One of the standout features of the Govee Smart Recessed Lighting is its smart home integration. These lights work seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter, giving you complete hands-free control. You can turn them on or off, adjust the brightness, change colors, or even select preset scenes just with your voice. And if you prefer using your phone, the Govee Home app makes it incredibly easy to manage your lights. You can create up to 80+ scene modes and even group multiple lights together so they operate in sync throughout your home. The DreamView mode allows you to build dynamic, animated lighting effects for a truly immersive experience. Installation is surprisingly simple. With just 5 steps, you can have these Canless Downlights mounted and ready to go. The package comes with everything you need: junction boxes, spring-loaded clips, and wire terminals. Each light is thoughtfully designed for ceiling clearance above 1.5 inches, and once installed, they sit flush with the ceiling for a clean, modern look. They are perfect for homeowners who want sleek, professional-grade recessed lighting without a complicated installation process. These lights are not only functional but also durable and reliable. While they're designed for indoor use, the high-quality materials and efficient LED design ensure long-lasting performance, giving you years of consistent lighting. Each set comes with 4 6-inch lights, allowing you to light up an entire room or multiple areas with ease. Overall, the Govee Smart Recessed Lighting 6-inch RGBIC LED Canless Downlights are ideal for anyone looking to bring their home into the world of smart lighting. With a combination of customizable colors, smart voice control, dynamic scene modes, and modern design, these lights are more than just illumination. They're a tool to enhance your lifestyle and create a living environment that adapts to your mood and activities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a home decorator, or simply someone who enjoys the comfort of well-designed lighting, these Govee lights are worth every penny. In conclusion, if you want a modern, smart, and vibrant lighting solution that can transform your living space, the Govee Smart Recessed Lighting 6-inch series is the ultimate choice. From its easy installation and powerful brightness to its advanced RGBIC features, Matter compatibility, and voice control, these lights combine style, functionality, and convenience, making them a must-have for any contemporary home.